Herculaneum was smaller than Pompeii, quieter, closer to the sea. Fishermen prepared their boats. Waves moved gently against the shore. That morning felt ordinary, warm, slow, alive. In the distance, the mountain darkened the sky. A deep rumble rolled across the water. By night, a wave of burning air rushed through the streets. It was too fast to escape. Doors were still open. Tables were left set for dinner. The city didn't crumble. It was sealed in silence.